Alright, what is going on? So today in this video I'm here to discuss a new fashion trend, I guess, and I've noticed it a lot lately and so is the whole community. And I mean, it's an odd fashion trend. Dad shoes are now a fashion trend. Now I never thought this would really be something, but here we are, a bunch of companies putting out dad shoes and they're really popular. Everyone's excited about them. I mean, there are mixed opinions, we have to face it, that's with most sneakers. But this is gonna be a fun video. I'm gonna enjoy discussing this, showing you all some of the things I've noticed and seen, and then showing you guys some examples of them. But I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe below. I'd appreciate it. And then also enter in the giveaway in the top link in the description. Huge giveaway, it's for you guys. Thank you over 10K, so go enter in that. And then finally, drop a like. Let's see if we can get 300 likes on this video. I feel like it's gonna be a good video. I don't know, I would hope for that as always, but that's always up to you guys. You guys choose to watch my videos and I appreciate that. But anyways, thank you for watching this video and let's get started. So some of you may be wondering where this whole, I guess, just dad shoe trend started. Why are dad shoes the new thing? Why are they the thing that's all trending? Why do everybody want a pair now? And it all started with Balenciaga. So as you guys know, designer brands like Balenciaga have a huge influence in fashion, and Balenciaga came out with a pair of triple S sneakers, and those just, I guess, really took off. They're pretty expensive. I know that I think they're around like $700, which is pretty expensive for a shoe, but then again, everyone was catching on to it. Everyone wanted to wear it. Everybody wanted a pair, and I didn't really see why anybody would want it. Like, some of the colorways are pretty nice, but personally I wouldn't wear it because I just don't like the whole design of it. But if everybody else, all the hypebeasts, all the people that are into Balenciaga just really love this sneaker, and then other brands started taking off this Balenciaga triple S sneaker and then making their own, and we've seen a lot of versions of just dad shoes. Like New Balance is suddenly selling more. I mean, yeah, New Balance is known to be the overall dad shoe, but suddenly people are buying all these really sort of, I'm gonna be honest, they're sort of ugly sneakers, and they're buying them because they're hyped or because of the new fashion trend. And I understand that. I mean, let's get it. Everybody wants to be part of the fashion, be part of the culture, and then really just be part of the trends, I guess. And when you see this dad shoe, everyone really was just catching on to it. Like, we did see Supreme now. They're releasing those. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but I know it's like a Nike Zoom Spectrum or something. And Nike Zoom Spectrums are definitely dad shoes if you want to put it in that sort of category. And then when Supreme definitely collab with that, there you go. You got a hypebeast dad shoe. So, if, you know, there's one with like flames on it, and then there's one with just like a plain black colorway, which I think is pretty nice. So, you know, if you're a NASCAR dad, you can definitely get the flame ones, that however you may feel. But when seeing all this and seeing this trend, I mean, it was just sort of odd at first. Like, I didn't understand why everybody was catching on to dad shoes. Like, when I saw this, I was like, these sneakers are ugly. Why would anybody want these? And then I really just saw a bunch of brands just start coming out with shoes exactly like this. And I was like, well, okay, I guess it's a new fashion trend. I mean, not something I want to really see in 2018 is dad shoes. But I mean, if that's going to be the new thing, I'm 100% cool with it. And, you know, let's see what else will come out. And then I believe I've seen some other brands like Chanel that have come out with some, but I know they've recently came out with some sneakers that aren't dad shoes, but they're pretty ugly, I'm gonna be honest. And I've just noticed a lot of brands and a lot of things that have just caught on, like just dad shoes everywhere. And I mean, it's a bit shocking and not something I necessarily would expect. And you know, it was odd at first, but a couple other sneakers that I have seen falling into the sort of dad shoe category. And I guess Balenciaga and Yeezy were sort of the starters of this with Yeezy 700 runner. That was definitely one of the key dad shoes to really bring on this whole trend. And then Gucci came out with their own ones with the Gucci logo right there in the center, and then it's saying Gucci all around it. And when I saw that, that was definitely, all these sneakers contributed to this dad shoe hype, and everybody wants to now spend excessive amount of money on shoes that are pretty ugly. But then again, it's the new fashion trend. It's what's hype. It's what's out right now, and everybody's excited to get their own pair of dad shoes, whether it be from Yeezy, Gucci, Balenciaga, or just from your local Nike outlet with the Nike Zoom Spectrum or whatever, golfer dad shoes. Those definitely would fit into the category. And you know, I'm not necessarily sure. I mean, again, I'm gonna say it one more time. I'm not sure why dad shoes are a thing right now, but I'm not gonna hate on it. Like, I'm not gonna hate on a trend whatsoever, because let's admit it, you know, there's been some really ugly trends before. Personally, I do not like distressed jeans, but hey, everybody has their own opinions. That's still a trend right now, but I wouldn't consider it hype whatsoever. But this trend right now is definitely hype with the Yeezy 700 and then all the other designer brands coming out with their own versions of dad shoes. So when thinking about that, I guess dad shoes are the new thing. Definitely a new fashion trend I definitely want to bring to you all and let you all know. If you haven't really figured out already from Instagram with all the people wearing dad shoes in your feed, then that would be a pretty good hint on it, considering that, I mean, these are the new thing. This is it right now. If you're looking to be a hypebeast, wear some dad shoes, wear some Supreme, and then also wear the Supreme dad shoes with the flames and then the plain black colorway that are coming out soon. And you know, I'm just looking forward to seeing this year what will happen with dad shoes. Like, is this gonna be the new thing for the next few years? Like, you know, Yeezys were a thing. Will dad shoes now be a thing? I'm pretty excited to see what could possibly happen with this whole thing. And you know, I think there's a lot of possibilities. It could become super hype. It could fade off in a month, a week, whatever it is. We gotta see what designer brands and then regular streetwear brands do with this whole idea, and then come out with their own IDs for it. But then I'm really thinking about that. Pretty cool idea. Thought I'd let you all know about this new dad shoe trend. Definitely something you guys can catch on to if you want. Go to your local Nike outlet if you can't afford the Balenciaga ones. They're $700. There's plenty of options, New Balances, whatever it is. I may actually catch on to this trend, but I'm not sure. Just gotta see and review all these sneakers and then see what they are like. But then again, new trend. Okay, so I definitely almost closed out in this video forgetting a huge factor. I don't know how I would forget this. Raf Simons, they are definitely a huge influence of this. Like, with all the dad shoes they come out with, $500. Again, really up there in that price range. They definitely were a part in influencing this whole trend with their dad shoes. I've seen people skating them as a joke only once. Like, they didn't do it again because those mess up the shoes. But then again, catching on to the dad shoe hype, definitely Raf Simons. That's definitely another shoe you can get. Balenciaga, Yeezy, Gucci, Raf Simons, and then your local Nike outlet. All great sources to get your dad shoes, because I guess everyone has them right now. And you know, I'm just waiting to see what the other brands will do to really gain that hype and then catch on with these trends with buying dad shoes. But we'll see. It's gonna be great. Almost forgot to mention Raf Simons, so I'm glad that I was able to mention that at the end of this video, because I do not want to miss out on them. Huge factor, and I really would be upset if I had forgotten this. Raf Simons, huge thing, and I mean, it's just a trend right now. Anyways though, thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate it as per usual. If you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead, subscribe below. I'd appreciate it. If you guys want to see more videos talking about trends like this or whatever it is, I've been doing a lot of videos like this, so let me know down below. And then also, go enter that giveaway in the top link in the description. It'd be appreciated. It's for you all. It's completely up to you if you guys want to enter. It's simple requirements. You guys just click that link to enter. It's a huge giveaway, and I wouldn't want y'all to miss out on it. But as usual, drop a like. It's me at 300 likes. Huge goal. I'd appreciate if you can hit that goal for this video especially. And you know, it's just a huge discussion right now. Dad shoes are the trend. They're ugly, but they're hype at the same time. I mean, that's really the deal with most sneakers, I guess. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video, and peace out.